Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can take a screenshot in your Windows 11 or in your laptop, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So I will share to you different methods on how you can take a screenshot on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. First method is look at your keyboard. Now locate your Windows key. The Windows key is like small squares built into one square. And then also look for the print screen key, which is in the initials, letter P, letter R, letter T, letter S, and letter C. Now press the Windows key. We are going to take a screenshot of our desktop first. Now press the Windows key and the print screen together. Now let's see if we have just took a screenshot of our desktop. Let's open the File Explorer. Best match, click on it. Now click on Pictures and Screenshots. And here, we have just took a screenshot of our desktop. So taking a screenshot on your Windows, this is very important, especially if there are any important information that you want to use in the future days and you just want to take a screenshot of it in case, just like for a notes to remember or a notes to look at for the next day. So let's say, for example, we're going to search for an info. So I'm going to type here, what is computer? Then I'll click on this. Now I want to take a screenshot of this important information for the future days, for the future use. So again, let's just press the Windows key and the print screen together. And now let's look at in the File Explorer. And here it is. We have just took a screenshot of this important info about computer. Now that is the first way. The Windows key and the print screen together. Now the second way is through a tool in your Windows, which is the snipping tool. So simply search for snipping tool in the Windows search bar. Best match will appear. Now you have to click on that. So here in the snipping tool, this is a screenshot tool of your Windows. So if you're going to click on the plus sign symbol, you can take a screenshot, but you can also click on this snipping mode. Now there are a lot of ways on how you can take a screenshot on your Windows. It could be in a rectangular form, window, full screen, or the free form. Now let me show you the rectangle and I'll click on this plus sign symbol. Then let's take a screenshot of our Windows, of our desktop. And here, this window will appear. Now let me minimize this. This window will appear and here you can also edit it in a Paint application and you can also copy it and paste it anywhere, or you can just simply click on save and then of course save it to anywhere. I'll just take it to screenshot and then click on open, click on save. So that's the first form of taking a screenshot in the snipping tool. So again, search for snipping tool. Then here, you can also try this freeform and click on the plus sign symbol. So if you click on this freeform, you can just simply take a screenshot of some areas on your Windows like this. And you can also add shapes, by the way. Right here, you can highlight, you can add shapes, and you can also save it. So let's save this. Click on save. And then let's simply click on this plus sign symbol again. Then we are going to change this into full screen. And then there you go. We have just took a screenshot of the full screen in our Windows. So this is the second way in how you can take a screenshot of your Windows, the snipping tool. And the last method is in the Microsoft Store. You can also download any third-party screenshot tools. So let's say, for example, just type here Lightshot. and hit enter. So there are a lot of choices right here. Like you can have the screenshot HD, Share X, Snap Paste, Snipping Tool, Snip Tool, Screenshot, Screenshot, Screen Capture, Real Screenshot for Web Page. So there are a lot of third-party applications which are screenshot tools that you can also install for your Windows. So it's up to you on what do you prefer here. So this is the third way. So those are the ways on how you can take a screenshot of your window. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.